Welcome back to Pro Chef Academy. Today what we're going to do is we're going to do a very simple potato foam. So ingredients I have here is I have 300 grams of potato, which I have cooked in water and then I put through a riser. Floury potatoes are desired. What I have at the back here then is 150 milliliters of milk, 25 grams of butter, a gram of salt. Nutmeg is optional, I haven't put it in. And I've also added 50 milliliters of the potato water as well. As you can see there, I have my little foaming machine on the back already. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to blend my potato in a food processor. I'm going to add my liquid here until I get like a thick consistency. And then I'm going to add that into my foamer, add my CO2 cartridge, and we'll take from there. So stage one. Okay, stage two here, I have blended in a food processor my potato with my liquid, as I've described in the previous section. And you can see there is like a thick consistency. I'm going to add this now into my siphon gun. I'm going to get some gas in there and we'll see what our potato foam looks like. So stage two there. Okay, so stage three here, we're just going to plate it up. So I have two simple dishes here. I have my gas cylinders put into my foamer, and now I've given it a good shake as well, and we're just going to see what we get here. So here we go, or into here like that. So you can see how light it is. You keep that in a water bath and it'll keep your filling nice and warm. Can be used as a garnish, can be used as an accompaniment, and just another interpretation of using a potato. And it's just one of the varieties that we can use. So if you like what I do, please like, subscribe and share, and we'll speak to you very soon again. So potato foam, done.